I am in love with me some Celine. I got a new handbag. I want to reveal it. I want to review it. I want to show you what's in it. If you are interested in any of that, please stay tuned. Hey guys, thank you for joining me today. My name is Holly. This is Hollywood Wear. For those of you who are new, thank you for coming by and checking me out. For those of you who are returning, thank you for coming on back. Here you will see a whole wide range of all kinds of videos. I am a sewist. I am a fashion enthusiast. So you may see a pattern haul. You may see a fabric haul. What I made with what I buy. Fashion mixed with my own DIY me-made items. And then sometimes, like today, you will see a bag review or a shoe review because I love some luxury goods. So if any of that sounds good to you, we always do it here on a budget, and it's always going to be fashion related. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and like this video. That way I know that you love it, and I'll continue to make more content. So let us get into it. So I was on the real. I've been doing a little bit of purging in my handbags. You know I love a handbag. I'm a handbag girl. I love me some luxury goods. That is where I really put my heart and soul. But I always get it pre-loved. I'm a pre-loved girl. I rarely buy bags full price, and if I do buy it in a store, it'll be like an outlet or something like that. I'm penny pincher. I'm very frugal. I need to make sure I'm getting a deal. I'm gonna get a discount or a coupon or something like that. So, but pre-love is where it's at because there are so many bags out there that are past seasons or before, you know, some years ago, and they are great bags. I'm the kind of person that I like usually whatever is now. I usually like the things that have been before. As for an example, cars, for example, you know how they'll have an old body style, and then they'll go to the new body style. For whatever reason, I always like the old body style. I don't know if it takes me a minute to warm up to the style when it's new and here I'm like, I don't like that. I really not feeling that. But then once it goes away, then I'm like, oh, you know what? That wasn't so bad, and then I warm up to it, or I do some more research about it, and I'm really start to love it. Anyway, the same thing happens with handbags. I like looking on the pre-loved market because you'll see things that you don't see other people in. I don't like having the same thing as everybody else. If anybody knows me, you guys watch me for a while, you know me. I want something different. I want to have something unique, something that everybody at the time is not wearing. So I look at a lot of, you know, different videos. I just see different things, and I like what I like. And when I look on the pre-loved market, you'll see things that are rare, maybe not it wasn't that popular, but I'm loving it. So I have a different kind of affection for it. So that is what's going on today. Celine is my new favorite. I love a Celine bag. I'm getting more into that minimalist, not too flashy, not too many logos, very light as far as if there's any kind of the name on it. I don't want to really see it that much. I want the bag to show. I want the classiness. I want things that are going to be timeless, things that go with my outfits and my style. You know, my style is a little bit classy, a little bit sexy, but very sophisticated, mature, and that is what I like. And so I want a bag to reflect my dress and my personality. And so I think I'm starting to really get into a new time in my life where I'm just really loving this new classy or sophisticated style of handbag. Now, I love the 50s and 60s, and so I think a lot of the handbags then were very structured, very good, well made, and I'm getting more back into that. So with that being said, I don't want to ramble a whole bunch. You guys would probably fast forward all my talking to just get to the bag. Holly, just get to the bag. Okay, I'm gonna get to the bag. So I also wanted to do pops of color. So I'm trying to get things that are more colors to go with my outfits, things like that. Fashion Foul is a great place to find a lot of pre-loved handbags. And the Real Real is where I also shop. So the Real Real is actually where I got this bag. I got this Celine bag, and I'm very, very excited about it. So it came in, I've already used it, so let's be very clear, okay, because I'm impatient, and when I opened it, it was just beautiful, so I had to use it. But it came in this dust bag. It did not have the original dust bag. The Real Real will send you a dust bag if it does not have the original dust bag, okay, so it's still going to be protected. But I got it in this beautiful color. So this here is my new handbag. Look at her. She is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And when this is Celine did there was a time when Phoebe Philo was the creative director for Celine, and she did a lot of really structured different bags. The wing is really, really popular with the luggage and with the Phantom, and this one here is called the Trapeze, Celine Trapeze bag. So this one also has the wings, and I just love this bag. A lot of people said that this bag was heavy. For me, I didn't feel like it was heavy. I got it in the small size, so I did want the small, which is not small to me because I can fit a lot of stuff in here, and I will show you that as well. But I love it because a lot of the Celine bags will have those multi-colors, so you can wear it with so many things. Denim, as a pop of color with any outfit. And it's like this royal blue here, soft calf leather on the top. It's like this navy blue calf leather on the bottom, and then it's like a nubuck or like a suede blue, you know, what is that? A royal blue as well on the side, and I just love it. It has a top handle here. Look at the, like, there are a little bit of wear, not too much at all. There were no wear on the edges. There's white glazing, if you can see, all the way around on the longer strap and on the side. No wear, no pilling, no cracking. This one is from 2015, so this is, 7 years old. It was immaculate condition. The little latch here, it's all gold hardware, which is lovely because I love a gold hardware. There's two little brackets here that are gold that doesn't move, but it has the top handle, and it comes with a detachable strap here that also, with the gold hardware, it says Celine right there on the hook. And so that is nice. The strap is not adjustable. That's the only thing, which is not bad. I mean, you can't wear it crossbody, but you can wear it on your shoulder. And it has this little, like this little padding so that it's not digging into your shoulder. So I really appreciate that. And it keeps it also from slipping off of your shoulder. So I really, really love that strap. It actually hits me right at the hip. I'm tall, I'm 5'8", but I have a shorter torso. So when I put it on, it's great because it doesn't slip off and it hits me right at the hip. So as you can see here, with me modeling it, I didn't have any problems with it slipping off or anything like that, or feeling like it was like up under my arm. It was at a good length so that I can still rest my arm down. I love this back pocket. The back zipper pocket is everything for me because I love putting in my cell phone in here, maybe slipping my key holder in here, but I didn't want it to, the only thing about the key holder is it poking out. So just putting my phone in here is great because then I can just pull out my phone. I've already taken this bag around, like running some errands one day. The very first day that I had got it, I went and took it and ran errands. I was so quick to change into this bag. This color, the bag, the way it was, I just could not resist. But doing that, I didn't have any problem getting to my wallet. A lot of people say they have a problem with the way that it opens because it's like a lock here that comes down and then it's like a twist lock. Another thing that this bag had, the little blue tape, I don't know if you could see that, the blue film, it's still on there. It's still on there. Whoever had it never even removed that. That's how good of condition it was in. But anyway, it's like a little latch here. So you twist it, you put that down, you twist it, and you open it up. Now, a lot of people say that when they're holding it, that this just kind of opens, and everything is exposed. I don't have that problem, because if I'm going to open it, I'm usually at the counter, or if I'm paying, I'm on a counter, so I just put it on the counter. It's facing towards me. I put it on the counter and get whatever I need out. If by chance I'm standing up and need to grab something out of it, then I just put it on my shoulder, and I just keep the buttons of the wings open, and then I put my wallet on this side, so that all I had to do was just dig in here, just like so, and grab out my wallet. So it's already in there. I know exactly where it's at. And then I could just slip it back if I wanted to. So if I really had to get to it, whatever you need to get to very quickly, then just kind of put it on the side that you want, and then just grab it out that way. But anyhow, on the inside, you will see the Celine in the old way with the little accent over it. The new creative director, he does not have, he redid it so that the Celine sign doesn't have that, but I like that. It says made in Italy. It's Celine Paris here. It is a zipper closure, so I would recommend, if you are one, again, that doesn't want all your things falling out and being exposed, zip it up a little bit. Just zip it on the side, just a little bit, just so that when you open it, it still kind of stays closed. So you open it, it still kind of stays a little bit closed for you. But anyhow, and it zips all the way down to the end. Now, lots of room in here. I really appreciate that. All my things are in here, so please excuse that noise, because of my keys were open, and I don't know why. But anyhow, there's plenty of room in here. I have a lot of stuff. To me, I think I have a lot of stuff, and I still have so much room. But it holds everything that I need, everything. So let me show you really quick what I have in here. So I have my, I use it as a makeup bag. It went to my Louis Vuitton, it went to pouch, it went to a bucket bag that I had at one point. So I use it as a cosmetic bag now. I have my PM Agenda, my Louis Vuitton PM Agenda in here. I have my 6 key holder in the Demier Ebene print for Louis Vuitton as well. I have my small zippy wallet. It's the Louis Vuitton zippy wallet. I have 2 things of sunglasses. These are my prescription sunglasses. Okay, that's in this little pouch here. I love these sunglasses. I actually got these again today. My glasses are from Zenni. I have talked about Zenni before. They have inexpensive prescription glasses that you can buy a whole pair of glasses with the lenses, and I don't have a weak prescription. You can get them for under $20, and you can get prescription sunglasses. So I actually got these prescription sunglasses. I love them. I love the little bit of wings. You can get them in regular, or you can get them in prescription. I love these though. These are wonderful, and I think I paid $29, maybe $28.90, I think, with the tinting on them. So love those. They're not brand name. I mean, they're not designer or luxury or anything like that, but I can see, okay, and they're cute, and I'm good with that, and we're inexpensive. So that's that. I also have a pair of Isabel Marant sunglasses. Now these are my regular sunglasses. I got these from Nordstrom's Rack. I love these. Now these sunglasses here, they're a little bit dirty. I'm gonna have to clean them, but these gold, there's a rose gold with the gradient. These I love. I will link everything that I have below. These Isabel Marant sunglasses are everything. Okay, love the rose gold, love the gradient, the blue. I just think that they're gorgeous. So that is that. What else do I have in here? Got that. That's all in the inside. Still got a mask just in case I go somewhere and I need a mask. That's everything that was on the inner inside. And then in the pockets, there's a flat pocket that has a smaller and a bigger one. I have some lotion that I need to probably throw away from Bath & Body Works. Is like the last of it. 1,000 Wishes. Love the smell of that. I have some lip gloss that I got from Ulta. That's in one of the pockets. I have some gum, because I'm always with my gum, okay? Gotta always have fresh breath. And I got a pen that is has a stylus thing that you can do with your phone, on your phone at the end. And I got a lip gloss, another one from Ulta. It's a tinted lip oil. It's like a mauvey color. And last but not least, I have this refillable fragrance thing, which I love. I love this thing because you could just put your regular bottle of perfume in here, refill it, and just take it with you. So I think in here now I have Lancome Ideoli. Anyway, that's what I have in there currently. It's almost out, so then I'll probably refill it. I'm gonna refill it with my Gucci Blue. Is gonna be the next one that I do. But that is everything. Me putting stuff back. So now that I have everything out, now you can see the inside, and it has that flat pocket there that like I was talking about. So I put my things in that pocket, which is actually connected to the pocket in the back. So if you put something in here, you'll fill it in here. Okay. So, but it does zip up completely, and then when it zips on the inside, you'll see it like that. Love this smooth leather here on the underneath side, and then of course back up, snap it there, and this little handle thing will stand up on its own if you do it just right. But I just love the top handle. I'm getting these flat bags. I love. On the bottom, there's no feet. It's just smooth on the bottom. So just kind of watch where you're putting it. But I love, you can have it either in the crook of your arm, like I said. That's where I carry my purse. A lot of times I'll show you that in picture, or just on the strap. But I'm in love with this bag. Like, I'm in love with the color. I'm just in love with the bag itself. It just looks so classy, so sophisticated. I just cannot wait to get some more Celine bags, because I have my eye on a few that I'm gonna get. So I will be showing that and sharing that with you as well. But that's basically about it. Oh, I did want to mention the little snaps on the side. I didn't want to forget about that. The little wings, they do snap. So if you want like more security for those wings, then you can always snap them. That way no one can get their hand in without it unsnapping it, and you probably would feel that. Another way that you can wear this bag is you can always put the wings in. So you just push the wings in. Zip it. Push the wings in, and it actually looks like a totally different bag. And I think I'm gonna carry it like this one time, as you know, sometimes as well. Go back in there. So once you push the wings in, and this zipper actually is supposed to go in, but once you push the wings in, then it looks like a totally different kind of a bag, and I really love that. So you can get a totally different look to your bag when you push the wings in, and then again put it on the crook of your arm or with the strap. When you put the wings in, you still can get to the bag on the inside. If you had it unzipped and it opens up, it opens like this, so you can still see your things. So if you want to just like keep it like that, and you can just open it up and then grab what you need and then push it back in, put it back together, and then keep on your way. Very simple, very quick, very fast. I like it both ways. I'm gonna probably carry it both ways at some point. But anyhow, but yes, that is it. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I love you for watching. Have a good day.